कर दो।
कौन
चलो।
रिकॉर्डिंग तो हो रही होगी ना इसमें क्लास की?
हाँ हो रही है, हो रही है।
बस
यस, इट स्टार्टेड रिकॉर्डिंग।
करो भाई, स्टार्ट करो कोई।
Yes, I want to start. I want to initiate the group. Hello, gentlemen cadets. My name is Deepak Vishwakarma. I am from MP Sujalpur, which is not famous for anything. And I have done my schooling from Excellence School Sujalpur. And
क्या हुआ भाई?
इंट्रो दिया ना, आप दूसरा बोलेगा ना?
नहीं, वो टॉपिक भी बोलना था ना।
अच्छा, मुझे लगा सिर्फ इंट्रो बोल के सब इंट्रो बोलेंगे पहले अपना अपना।
ऐसा है ना, जितना भी बोल सकते हो तुम, बोल सकते हो, इसमें कोई रोक टोक नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ जितना बोलेंगे
ओके
अच्छा है ना। वो
ओके
इंट्रोडक्शन के
यहाँ
साथ ही
पे
वहाँ पे
अपनी
बोलना
स्पीकिंग
पड़ेगा।
बढ़ा रहे हैं, स्पीकिंग फ्लुएंट कर रहे हैं और
हाँ।
कुछ नहीं है।
ओके ओके। If you will talk about the two children policy in UP, I think it is very good for the it is very good for the state like UP because
and Peta. Friends, I want to introduce myself before you. भाई यार मेरा बार बार करता हूँ।
बोलो बोलो बोलो।
Good morning, friends. My name is Naresh Kumar. I am from Agra, Kothas and Peta. Friends, I am pursuing my BSc second year, and I have completed my intermediate from UP board. In my family, there are 7 members. We are 5 siblings and parents. Uh, I want Air Force because it is the uh, full of adventures and it is most respected job. Uh, Friends, we are discuss about the topic two child policy in UP. According to me, it's uh, every 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 law has two sides, two pros and cons. According to me, it should be good or bad. Uh, and I want to say that it is not good for UP and all over the country uh, because of two child policy. Because of two child policy, our okay, bhai.
बढ़िया।
Good morning, my friends.
नेक्स्ट।
My name is okay, bye. Good morning, sir, and good morning, my friends. My name is Manish Singh Chauhan. I am from district Jalon, Uttar Pradesh. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housemaker. I have done my class 12th with 75% mark from MK Central College, Khitoli. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a great opportunity and here life is full of adventures. Today our topic is two-child policy in India. And two-child policy is very good step taken by the Indian government and taken by the central government by the Narendra Modi. And friends, this is not possible in our country because every country is making of the policy on two-child policy, and and not every country cannot, किसी ने भी इसे मतलब चला नहीं पाया है। China is also making a policy on two child, but that policy is failed of the China also. So friends, this is very Hercules task for our country, and but this is very good because as we all know that in our country many people has 6 to 7 child, and many country has in our country many people has 4 to 5 child, so this will be reduced. So and as we all know that कोई नहीं, थैंक यू भाई।
बढ़िया।
नेक्स्ट वन।
बिल्कुल बढ़िया।
अगला बोलो कोई।
मैं ही बोलूं भाई फिर।
हाँ
Good morning,
बोलो भाई,
friends,
बोलो।
and my respected sir. My name is Rambaran Singh Sikalwar. I am from Agra, which is famous for Taj and Peta. There are 5 members in my family, including me, 3 siblings, and my parent. I want to join Indian Air Force because defense job is the most respected job, and nothing gives more pleasure than to serving the nation in the uniform of Air Force. That's why. And today our topic is a two-child policy, which is a very interesting topic and debatable topic, as all of us know that two-child policy in UP is a new concept. Most of the country has been implied it, as we know that most of the friend talk about China has been as a one-child policy, which is very beneficial for controlling the population of their country. Now China has been left left this policy because of their population is now controlled. So Indian government, due to population is the establish of every country, but overpopulation has been a major problem of development of the any country, and it created the unemployment sector. So that's why the UP government has taken a good step. It is also taken in the Assam government also taken two-child policy, which is very helpful. But there is few challenges about two-child policy, that if some so we should have to control those solution, and we can progress. It will be beneficial for controlling the population. Thank you. कैसा रहा?
बढ़िया 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 बढ़िया। नेक्स्ट वन कोई।
नेक्स्ट
मैं ही हूँ क्या नेक्स्ट?
मेजर जनरल साहब ये बोलेंगे का कौन है?
मेजर जनरल
मेजर
साहब कौन है?
जनरल रोशन है और ये विकास दास, ये 3 रह गए। कोई बोलो भाई।
रोशन पी।
भाई ऐसे नहीं बोलोगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा? वहां भी तो कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा ना। हम भी ऐसे
भाई
धीरे धीरे
बोल
सीखे, सुनने से काम थोड़ी चलेगा।
माइक को अनम्यूट करके, माइक अनम्यूट करना आ रहा है क्या नहीं उन्हें?
नीचे नीचे भाई क्लिक करो, नीचे है उसमें
रोस्तम भाई मेरा
वीडियो।
ऑन नहीं हो रहा। रोस्तम पांडे
एक बार क्लिक पिच स्क्रीन में फिर हो जाएगा।
भाई दोबारा ज्वाइन करो, दोबारा एक बार करके दोबारा।
माइक को ग्रीन करो, रेड रेड हो रहा है।
हाँ भाई,
उसको ग्रीन
मेजर
करो।
मेजर जनरल कुछ बोल रहे हैं।
आवाज
बोलो
आ
भाई
रही है?
बोलो। यस यस।
Jai Hind everyone, I am from
Audio.
Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan.
टर्न ऑन योर।
Jai Hind everyone, and sir, I am from Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan. I am preparing Indian Air Force, and this is a very respectful and very interesting job. सर आज मेरी पहली क्लास है।
अरे भाई
कोई नहीं
ऐसा
भाई,
ही
सही
आता
बोल रहे हो।
है
बोलो
सबको,
बोलो।
पहली ऐसे ही आता है। बोलो बोलो, धीरे धीरे सही हो जाएगा।
यार कर लेना।
टॉपिक के बारे में भी नहीं पता मेरे को अब।
अरे तुम्हें कुछ भी आता हो वो बोल दो, कोई सिंपल टॉपिक आता हो उसके बारे में बोल दो, कोई जरूरी थोड़ी है। बस
भाई
इंग्लिश
मैंने ये
बोलो।
टॉपिक हेलो
हाँ
भाई ऐसे ही
हाँ
कुछ
सर।
बोल दो, कहाँ से हो, क्या करते के पापा क्या करते हैं, वही है बस।
हाँ भाई मैं इंट्रोडक्शन सिर्फ
हाँ।
सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकता हूँ, बाकी मैं
जय
टॉपिक
बोलो
का
भाई,
कोई
हाँ
नॉलेज
कुछ भी।
फिलहाल
अरे कुछ
हाँ,
भी बोलो,
जय
इंट्रोडक्शन टॉपिक कुछ भी आता हो।
ठीक है
ऐसे
सर।
एक ऐसे आप लोग हेल्प कर सकते हो कि अगर कोई टॉपिक
जय
है तो वो कहीं लिख के ही ना रखे होगे, तो वो भी ग्रुप में डाल दिया करो या पर्सनल भेज दिया करो, तो जो कि पढ़ के फिर
भाई
उसको।
पर्सनल जो जो लिंक भेजी है ना मैंने, उस वाले नंबर पे मैसेज कर देना, मैं भेज दूंगा।
ठीक।
तो ये वाला नंबर है जो जिस टीचमेंट वाला जो जिससे लिंक आया हुआ है।
नहीं, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है ना, उसी में से तो आए हो।
हाँ
हाँ
हाँ, मतलब जो यही ना जो ग्रुप है जो टीचमेंट वाला जो इस ऐप का जो लिंक भेजे वही नंबर से मैं ना।
हाँ हाँ, वही उसी पे उसी पे।
ओके ओके ब्रो। तो
बोलो भाई
हम अपना
रोशन।
इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे हैं। ओके ब्रो।
हाँ।
ठीक है भाई, ठीक है।
I am Roshan. I am from Bihar. I have done my 12th class now and I am pursuing my BSc. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a father. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. We are 4 siblings. I live in Bihar. In my free time, I like playing cricket. I want to join Air Force because it's my parents' dream and also it will give me social reputation. Thank you. This is all about me.
बढ़िया बढ़िया।
रोशन तुम
भाई
रह गए भाई, अब तुम भी बोलो। बढ़िया बढ़िया यार,
हम
बढ़िया।
ही तो हैं भाई। अभी मैं नहीं बोला।
अच्छा, रोशन बोल रहा था ये ना।
हाँ हाँ। आज
मेजर
फर्स्ट
जनरल
टाइम।
सर।
आज तक कभी
बोलो
इंग्लिश
तो बोलो।
किए हैं।
तो बढ़िया, प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, हो जाएगा तुम्हारा।
हम लोग को ये हेल्प कर देना कि दीदी का टॉपिक बना बना के ना देते रहना, क्योंकि उससे पढ़ के आने के बाद बोलने में थोड़ा सा बनेगा, 2-4 लाइन भी बोल पाएंगे।
नहीं, टॉपिक नेट पे सर्च करो यार, कहाँ से बना बना के देते रहे, है ना।
हाँ भाई, टॉपिक नेट
I want
उसको करो प्रिपेयर।
सारे टॉपिक नेट पे मिल जाते हैं अच्छे से।
hello.
हाँ हेलो।
मुझको पर्सनल मैसेज कर देना, मैं भेज दूंगा यार पीडीएफ पूरी
ओके
टॉपिक।
ओके ब्रो, थैंक यू थैंक यू।
I want to speak something about this topic.
So
Can I speak?
yes, speak. Yes, proceed.
In many cases, two-child policy is good, and in many cases, two-child policy is not good for UP. I am just talking about only UP because in all India, not this child policy is not executed in all India, only in UP. Because the major population of India lives in UP. It has the biggest population state in UP. So it's necessary to control the population of UP. And in my about according to me, this policy will help to reduce the not reduce to control the population in UP, and the less population will be treated well by the government, like basic facility will be available for them, and like electricity, water, and the education facility will be easily available for the population. If you can easily you can easily consider that that the less population can be treated easily, and the major population or big population and cannot be treated easily. That's why the true
Yes,
policy is mandatory. I think it is mandatory.
yes, friend. Yes, I am agree with you. As we all know is that it is a good decision that population make a nation strong and development. But overpopulation, which help to reduce to the earning of the country and also created the employment. And due to unemployment, most of the crimes occur like theft, gambling, and terrorist activities, which was happening. So by implemented of two-child policy, it will decreasing the unemployment sector rate in our country. But this is also have a some problem like if we are talking that APJ Abdul Kalam was the fourth son of his father, and Dr. APJ Abdul and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, it is the 14th child of their family. So we will be, if we will be implement two-child policy, then we will lose a highly profile person. So this is also a general question comes in our mind.
Yes, Ramran, I am agree
Thank
with
you.
you that I am agree with you, Ramran, that in our country population is increasing very much. So by the policy, population will control, and as we all know that unemployment is also on its peak. So unemployment will be reduced by the two-child policy, because in our country in only 10 year about 13 crore people are increased in just only 10 years. So this will cut for our country. So in a report data of the scientist, that scientist says that India will be further from China in 2030. So our population will make people. So, in my point of view, friends, mm, the two-child policy is very good for our country, and this should be implemented by the every month. by every-
Yes, Manish, I agree with you because whatever you are saying is correct. But according to me, two-child policy should implemented in all over the India because uh, because of overpopulation. There are so many suffers. Our country is झेलने को क्या कहते हैं तो friends, as we know
Yes,
that
please, please.
population is the most problem of our country, not only of our country but also all over the world. Our country is the second in the our country is second in population and sixth in area, sixth rank in area. So our country should reduce population because we don't have a we don't have more resources for our population. And as we know that in a criteria, we uh, our government find that per 1000 persons have only 0.34 doctors. So resources are very less. So government should implement
Yes,
this policy to control population.
yes, friend, I am agree with you that lack of resources is happening due to overpopulation, and we can see that my friend Mani said that unemployment sector is increasing. As we can see example that our UP population is 22 crore, which is 10 multiply of Australia. So only one state is equal to 10 multiple of any country. So it is not good for our country, because we have not a proper resources to fertilize, to crop, and so we have to take things from and we have to export the things from other country like China, which will increasing the trade deficit to our country. So due to controlling of our population, we will okay, continue.
Yes, friend, I
Yes,
am
my
agree
friend.
with you, but it is big, very big misunderstanding to apply this. That if a person has one child, he got a twin, then he will get three child. How this will be good? So tackle with this of our Indian government. Thank you.
I agree with Rambaran Singh, but
दो हो गए इकट्ठे जो तीन नहीं हो गए.
लर किसका चल रहा है? माइक म्यूट कर
भाई
लो
जब
यार.
कुछ भाई दीपक जब कुछ बोलो ना तो माइक म्यूट करके रखा करो,
ठीक है.
जिससे दूसरों को प्रॉब्लम होती है।
Yes, my dear friend Rambaran, I agree with you because saying is correct. According to me, our government should implement two child policy to population, because there are no more no more resources to for population, uh, acco- due to overpopulation, our country's people are not so many educated, and there will be no resources uh, to their health recover. So we should our government should implement these policies to control population.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. Whatever you said, it is correct. I would like to suggest you that it is a good decision. But what should we do if we should not aware to the people, because most of the person belonging to the rural area and they doesn't have any source of getting knowledge, so they remain unknowledge about the how to population control. They don't use, they don't know about the news that two child policy is implemented in their state. So the people should be come to join hand to find out the solution of this problem, and people should aware about every type of activities. We should have to provide it like Facebook, Instagram, and we can connect on the other network to aware of the people.
Yes, my friend Ravan, before the implement the rules, our government should introduce the protection things.
I want to speak something. Can I speak?
You may proceed.
Like
भाई वहां
that
पे
you
तो
are
चांस छीनना है दीपक।
you
दीपक वहां पे तो चांस छीनना है, वहां पे ऐसे पूछा नहीं है क्या नहीं प्रोसीड।
Yes, Rambaran, I am agree with you that we should make we should apply. But there is a major is that in our country there is lack of education. So uneducated person do not know how to tackle with this problem. So this will be the two child policy is very good step of Indian government, because with this two child policy everyone will be क्या बोलते हैं सारे लोग everyone will be responsible for his duty. So this is very good for our country.
yes
Yes, my I
yes
am agree with you. Can I speak?
okay you can
अरे भाई
speak.
बोलो।
No, I am just asking to you. I want to say something about this topic, and I'm totally in favor of two child policy. But I want to say something about that. Some some the major population has some benefits, like we have the biggest manpower in our India. That if any business or any industry can be set up in our India because of any industry or business can set up in our country, because we have a lot of manpower in our country. That's also a big benefit of major population in our India. It also helps to in, increase our GDP and economy. It's a fact. If you are agree, it's a very good factor to improve our economy. That's all.
Yes, friend, I agree with you that population has the manpower of any country to develop it in a very highly amounted. But and it is a great motivated to our country that India is known as a youth country where is the high amounted of person are available to doing any type of work, and there is also a high amount of unemployment person are available. So by this we can control this problem. And as we know that China has been implemented in 1973 one child policy, and after that the youth of there is very high amounted in that time. But after that the increasing of the old age person has been a major problem to China. So they have been stopped their one child policy, and now they have been stabilized that a person can be born up to 3 person, 3 child. So this will be also think our government that the ratio of the children, youth and old age person is not high amounted, so that the old age person not be like a burden of any society.
Yes, I am agree with you, but in not all cases, two-child policy is good or bad. We cannot say it is totally good or it is totally bad. Every policy or everything in world has two sides, like a coin. Some pros of this policy has also lives in our world, and some cons are also lives in our world of this policy. So we should take it positively, and we should implement it for a not for long time, only for such a small time like 2 3 4 5 years. It can affect our population, and it can help to control our population.
Yes, friend, you have said
Yes,
that I also wanted to say to you that UP government has been implemented it from 1921 to 1930. For 10 years, it will be period for the two-child policy, and it will be on the based on the government that they have to increase the two-child policy or not. It will be based on the situation. So at that time we will think about that. So this is good. And as one of my friend Naresh suggested that in one state in Uttar Pradesh and one state in Assam it has been implemented, but we have also overpopulation in other states, so we should have to implement it in other states so that we can control it, I think.
yes, my friend Rambaran, you are saying is correct. As we know that China had China see, but he is not succeed in a, it's a so after that after that China back their this rule, and as we know that there are so many states in our country like that Assam, Uttarakhand and Rajasthan, they are implemented two-child policy, but after that so many problems they have faced, uh, like that like that as we seen that see they that uh, there are so many people, so they prefer boy child than girl child. uh, so uh, so due to this thing, uh, population and boy and girl ratio will be increase and decrease, so it should not be. And thank you.
I would like to answer you, Naresh. You have raised a question that most of the person wanted to boy child prefer. So I would like to suggest you that the state government has just said that the three child will be applicable for some condition, like if one child has been born first time and after that time twins has been occur, so it will be valid. And two child they have already, but if they will be adopted one child, then it is also valid for two child policy. So we can also adopt any children having two children besides. So this will very good decision, I think. And this is
Yes, my dear friend. According to me, it is not. It is not only. It is only mudda for Yogi Adityanath to win the cha- win the elections. So according to me, it not be.
Not you.
Friend, you have a
You are talking about Mutta in political elections in 2022. Not you are not right in every matter, because I think it is not only Mudda. It will really work. What do you think? It will work or not?
yes, it will be highly
Uh,
amounted work. I would
better.
like to say that he will wanted to say that there is a 4.5 years has been spent of Yogi Adityanath sir. After that, he can implement it in the earlier time, but he did not. It is not our matter. We should have to support this policy because it will be beneficial for our country. But most of the person is against the political party are going to be क्या कहते हैं उसको विरोध against to the policy, so we should have to aware to those person and we should have to
Saying
support so that the government. Yes, yes, yes.
yes, you said
Yes,
many
friend. We
politicians protest against this law. I think the opposition parties have no work to do. They only protest against the government's laws like farmer bill, this two-child policy, and I think the opposition parties it doesn't make any sense to protest any law.
Yes, friend, I agree with you that against party will be against to the any policy. It may be, but as our state has been implemented, our country is also implemented. But I would like to say that most of the country in the world they doesn't have a more manpower, so they wanted to 5 to 6 from more than 5 children. Like we can see example of. Uh, I'm not learning, but it will be gifted to person if he will be promoted more children by the government of their country. So the population is not a problem. Overpopulation is the main problem, which will be occur in our country. So we can directly stop it, as we can see, and created more employment.
Okay, as you said, population is not the main cause of unemployment, and overpopulation is cause of unemployment. You are right, but in many areas in my village, in like your village, if you works in agriculture, there are no manpower to work in our fields. Like if you have to harvest your fields with manpower, if you will go in your village and you cannot find anyone to harvest your crops from hand, that's also a big thing that everyone wants to work in office, and everyone wants to get the all facilities of life, and no one wants to work in sunlight. That's also a fact.
Yes,
yes,
friend, I
friend.
would like to say to
According
you that you have raised the question about the agriculture. I would like to say to you that 70% of people are working in the agriculture, which is a very highly amounted, and it is a seasonable condition that any type of employment is not available to the agriculture. It is seasonable, like sometimes occurs and sometimes not occurs. So most of the person are living in that particular area, giving unemployment. So that and we can see that if any person have five more than 5 children, then the land will be distributed, and due to this, the land is going to be decreases to person in the past time as a in future. You can comparison, I think.
yes, you are right, Ramvaran. According to me, our government before implement this rule, our government should work on the on health sector and education sector. After that, educated person know that overpopulation is not right. So yeah, we can see that in our society, educated person don't have more children. They okay.
Yes, friend, you may be right. I would like to say you that most of the person are there is some person who have knowledge, they have educated, but it's decided that they are doing more children. We can see example that 5 to 6 time marry, and after that 2 children, then we can multiply that 12 children they have occurred. So what will be the situation of the implemented of the bill? I would like to. I will not like to say this.
If you
Sir,
if you are saying,
you are
I
saying
want
is
to say
right,
something.
but
If you are
अरे
talking
मैं
about the,
there are
ये
times
okay, okay, you speak first.
they they married many times. So after married they protect son. So but they don't increase population.
नहीं मेरा I have one question that if one person can marry from 6 to 10 wives and two to children of every wife, then it will be very highly amounted. So can it is implemented in the two-child policy that we should have to
I
only one wife or not?
I think I think
After
firstly we should
after
stop marriages from
before
2 or 3 wives in the same time, and we should stop this culture that no one can marry. It should be certain that a single man can marry 2 women or 1 woman, but only 1 or 2 women. That should not be
our
done.
government should
तो इस हिसाब से भी 4 हो रहे हैं भाई.
apply only one marriage. अरे बहुत हो गया
Not
यार.
not only one marriage, because a wife can be died in any by any cause. That he should marry twice.
Live as equal to Yogi Adityanath. Live as
Yes,
equal to
yes,
Yogi Adityanath without marriage.
yes, yes. That is
मैं
also
bro
a
जितनी ज्यादा संतान होगी उतनी ज्यादा महापुरुष पैदा होंगे. रामबरन ने बताया तो मतलब जो कौन थे वो अब्दुल कलाम जी कौन सी संतान थे?
अरे भाई मैंने ये बताया था कि we will be
हाँ
losses to great person. 14 संतान थे वो, और डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर 14वीं संतान थे. तो मैंने
in
इस
every
हिसाब से
यार
case.
कहा
कम
सोचा.
नहीं, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कम पॉपुलेशन होगी और बच्चे कम पैदा होंगे तो महापुरुष पैदा होना बंद हो जाएंगे.
No, it is not true. Everyone can be a great leader from first child can be a great leader. Second child also can be a great leader. It's not the matter of
Yes.
that on 14th or 15th child will be the great leader in our country. I think we should call it a day today.
Yes, it should be end for today.
Yes. Okay. There are only 3 members in our group. I think it is very good for us because no one is interested in a group discussion.
यार
But
इंटरेस्टिंग
we
No,
will.
it will be beneficial for our. If there is a more person, then we have to. We have
Wait
only
and
just taking the part
we
5 to 7
have
times,
enough
but we
time
have
to
taken part more than 10 times. So it will be increasing our vocabulary, our speaking, and it
vocabulary
is
and
making
Yes,
fluent English.
speaking
It will be
fluently.
beneficial.
you are right. Whenever you will drop a link in WhatsApp group, I will join this GT discussion.
Yes, yes.
And
Our
you,
time is fixed 9 a.m.
okay, boys. But
Be ready at that
eh,
time.
You should drop the topic of next day. Today you will drop the topic of next day.
यस, कल ही बता दिया था यार।
Okay, let's take it.
ओके, चलते हैं भाई, फिर कल मिलते हैं।
हाँ जाओ, वैसे ही बारिश होने लगी।
सेम इशू यहाँ भी हो रही है।
होने तो
ठीक है भाई, है सुजान तो
सुजान
नहीं
सिंह
आया।
मर गया यार, उसका तो भाई तुझे कुछ समझ में आता
रनिंग
यार?
अरे
रनिंग
रनिंग
भी नहीं
करने
कर
गया
रहा है।
हूँ, उसे टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा
नहीं
है।
यार, नहीं नहीं गया, मैंने उससे बोला था लेकिन नहीं गया।
नहीं,
मैं
कल गया
अकेला
था लेकिन कल बारिश होने लगी तो गया नहीं।
हाँ हाँ, मैं कल कल जाने को तैयार था लेकिन बारिश होने लगी। और देख, तेरे गांव में तो आर्मी वाले भी हैं, मेरे गांव में कोई भी नहीं है मतलब जो रेस करने जाता हो। एक लड़का है
मेरा
वो
तो मन
जाता
ही
है
नहीं
ग्राउंड
करता
पे,
जाने।
पता नहीं क्या। कल लात मार के ले जाऊंगा
नहीं,
उसको।
कोई टेंशन नहीं, 15 दिन में हो जाएगी कंप्लीट रेस तो।
रामबरन यार कैसी है मतलब जीडी मेरी?
अरे तेरी पहले खराब होती, अब बढ़िया है गई। मोते नेका भी बढ़िया हुई थी,
नहीं नहीं, बढ़िया
ज्यादा
तो नहीं
बढ़िया।
होगी
खैर
मतलब।
पकड़ ले होते, नहीं यो कह रहा हूँ, मोते नेका भी बढ़िया होगी, ज्यादा बढ़िया था।
अरे ना ना ना, तू नेगेटिव जा रहा है। मोह अपई जगह पे रखे और मेरे पे तू मतलब
अरे तो तू
उल्टा कह
अपनी
होगा।
वीडियो देख लियो, अब तू बता कहूँगा बोलन ही ना दे तो।
तो
अनु
बोले
पहले
में
का,
यार।
पहले तो मैं बुलावा आते कह बोल बोल बोल, पहले तू
आ,
रट के
आ,
आवा
आ,
तो। अब तू खुद
हाँ हाँ,
दिमाग में जनरेट करते है।
मैंने ना भाई तेरी कसम यार, मैंने कि तो लिखी हुई ना वो गूगल पे और एक आध वीडियो देखी मैंने बस यूट्यूब पे हिंदी में। तो वो नेक्स्ट थॉट प्रोसेस बढ़ रही है तो देखते हैं। इंट्रोडक्शन जो
नहीं
सर
तू
बता रहे
अगर
का
मैं
है देख
कोचिंग,
के। इंट्रोडक्शन में कहा
इंट्रोडक्शन
वो सर
बढ़िया
साम।
बता रहे हैं कि हम।
नहीं नहीं, इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या करना
हाँ
पड़ेगा
कर
जैसे वो
दिए,
भेज।
हाँ का तिन्हीं को वो हाँ भेज दें, ठीक है। बिनिंग की वो हुई
नहीं
तो
कहाँ
बाकी
पे,
अनुसार कर लो।
कहाँ सेंड करना है
बिनी को
कहाँ, मुझे तो
ज्वाइन कर
बताना।
लेना।
कहाँ,
बिनी
कौन सा
को
ग्रुप है?
टेलीग्राम ग्रुप,
कहाँ
एयरफोर्स
नाम होती है?
स्टडी।
ठीक है
वो
कर
पे
ले।
टेलीग्राम पे मैसेज करती हूँ, कर दो शेयर, ऐड कर दे तुझे।
हम्म हम्म।
ठीक है,
ठीक है फिर भाई।
हैं।